Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign up for Wiki account without phone number. Right, so first of all, I will just show you. If you're using Android iPhone, just go and download Wiki here and click on open. Now once you click on open, it will ask you to log in, and I don't have any accounts. I will just go and click on sign up. Now here it will ask my phone number. Now what if I don't want to give my phone number? So let me show you how you can fix this. Here you have to go to any of the browser, right? And once you're here, go to your search bar, okay, and here we have to look for online SMS receiver, right? And just hit the enter. Now once you do this, now here you will find a lot of applications or the websites. I will just use this online SIM here, and once I'm inside, now this is paid, but you can try it for the free. So I will just go and try it for free. Now here I will select my country, so you have to also select your country, and once you do here you will get the free numbers. And right now I'm not getting any free numbers. I will just go and use here, for example, I will use Britain. Now in the Britain, if I'm fortunate, I will surely get a number here. Now here I've got a number, so a free number I can use only one here. So now I will go here. Now what you have to do, you have to just go and copy this number here. So I will click on copy. Don't copy the country code, and I will paste it up here. I will remove the country code here, right? And here I will just write here Britain, right? Or for example, United Kingdom, right? So here I will select here, and I will recheck that number is perfect or not. Okay, the last there is 3, and let me just add it up here and click on continue. Now here automatic phone number confirmation, click on enter manually. Now here we have to enter SMS code. By the way, this number is used too much because this is just a free number, right? And here click on enter automatic, and they have sent us a code. So we will just go back here, and we will just wait for a code here, and we have to refresh this up. Now we might get the code here, and you have to paste the code. Sometimes this number might not work because it's free number, so you can just buy the subscription or buy the number from here, and you can use the number several way. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.